Hello, and welcome to a journey of self-discovery inspired by the heart of Japan. Today, we're diving into 10 beautiful habits, each one a tiny treasure chest filled with joy and tranquility. Imagine bringing more purpose, peace, and balance into your days, not through grand gestures, but by embracing the simple elegance of these practices. Imagine waking up each morning with a heart full of purpose, knowing that your presence in this world is meaningful. That's the essence of Ikigai, a Japanese concept that translates to reason for being. What makes your heart sing? What brings a smile to your face effortlessly? Perhaps it's the way sunlight dances on your skin during a morning walk, the satisfaction of creating something with your hands, or the warmth you feel when connecting with loved ones. Embrace these moments, nurture them, and let them guide you towards a life filled with genuine purpose and fulfillment. Close your eyes for a moment and picture a world where every resource, every object, every crumb of food is treated with the utmost respect. Imagine a place where nothing is taken for granted and every item is valued for its purpose and potential. This is the heart of Mottainai, a Japanese expression that conveys a deep sense of regret for wastefulness. It's more than just a word, it's a philosophy, a way of life that teaches us to be mindful of our consumption and to appreciate the intrinsic value of everything around us. It's a gentle reminder to cherish and appreciate all that we have, from the smallest grain of rice to the vastness of the natural world. Every element, no matter how small, plays a crucial role in the larger ecosystem, and Mottainai encourages us to recognize and honor that interconnectedness. It encourages us to consume mindfully, to repair rather than discard, and to find creative ways to give new life to old things. Whether it's mending a broken piece of pottery or repurposing fabric, Mottainai inspires us to see the beauty in preservation and the potential in renewal. Let's treat our planet and all its gifts with the respect and reverence they deserve. By embracing the spirit of Mottainai, we can foster a more sustainable and harmonious world, where every action we take is a step towards preserving the delicate balance of our environment. Feel the gentle breeze caressing your skin, the soft earth beneath your feet, the symphony of birdsong filling your ears. This is the magic of Shinrin-yoku, the Japanese practice of forest bathing. It's not about hiking or exercising. It's about immersing yourself in the forest's embrace, allowing its tranquility to wash over you. Breathe in the fresh, earthy scent of pine needles and damp soil. Feel the calmness that emanates from ancient trees, and let the forest's energy rejuvenate your soul. Even a short walk in a nearby park can do wonders for your well-being. Imagine savoring each bite of food, your senses alive with the taste, texture, and aroma. Each morsel is a journey, a moment to be fully experienced, your body and mind in perfect harmony, connected through the act of eating. This is the essence of Hara Hachi Bu, a Japanese practice that encourages us to eat until we are 80% full. It's a tradition that has been passed down through generations, promoting longevity and well-being. It's not about deprivation, it's about cultivating a mindful relationship with food, listening to our body's cues, and appreciating the nourishment that each meal provides. By eating mindfully, we honor our bodies and the food we consume. Chew slowly and deliberately, feeling the textures change in your mouth, and listen to your body's signals of satisfaction. Notice how each bite brings a different sensation, a new layer of flavor. Remember, eating is not just a necessity, it's an opportunity to slow down, to be present, and to savor the simple pleasures of life. In every meal, there is a chance to connect with ourselves and the world around us, to find peace and contentment in the act of eating. Close your eyes and envision your home, not just as a space you inhabit, but as a sanctuary of peace where every corner sparks joy and tranquility. This is the heart of Osoji, the Japanese art of cleaning and tidying, much more than just a chore. It's a mindful practice, a way to show gratitude for our belongings and create a harmonious living space that nourishes our souls. Visualize light streaming through sparkling windows, illuminating a space free from clutter and chaos. Remember, Osoji is not just about cleaning your house, it's about clearing your mind. Imagine a group of people coming together, not to impose their own ideas, but to patiently and respectfully listen, understand, and build consensus. This is the essence of Nemawashi, a Japanese practice that emphasizes careful preparation and informal discussions before reaching a decision. It's like tending to the roots of a tree, ensuring they are strong and healthy before it bears fruit. Each person's voice is heard, valued, and considered, creating a foundation of trust and understanding. It's a practice that fosters collaboration, minimizes conflicts, and leads to more sustainable and harmonious outcomes. Close your eyes and picture a broken piece of pottery, not discarded as flawed, but lovingly repaired with gold, its cracks transformed into shimmering veins of beauty. This is Kintsugi, the Japanese art of golden repair, a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. It teaches us that our flaws, our scars, our imperfections are not something to hide, but rather integral parts of our unique story. Each crack represents a challenge overcome, a lesson learned, a moment of growth. Remember, just like the Kintsugi pottery, our imperfections do not define us. They refine us, making us more complete and more beautiful than we ever thought possible. Kintsugi is more than just an art form. It is a philosophy, a way of life. It encourages us to embrace our past, to see the beauty in our struggles, and to understand that every experience, no matter how painful, adds to our character. By filling our cracks with gold, we acknowledge our history and wear our scars with pride. We become living testimonies of resilience, strength, and beauty. So let us celebrate our imperfections, for they are the golden threads that weave the tapestry of our lives, making us uniquely beautiful and whole. Imagine a society where taking short naps during the day is not only acceptable, but seen as a sign of diligence and commitment. This is Inemuri, the Japanese practice of power napping, a testament to the importance of rest and rejuvenation. It's about recognizing that our bodies and minds need moments of pause, even amidst a busy day, to function at their best. This short respite, far from being a sign of laziness, is a strategic investment in productivity and well-being. Remember, taking care of ourselves is not selfish. It's essential for living a fulfilling and productive life. Imagine entering a space where you feel instantly welcomed, cared for, and genuinely appreciated, where every detail, no matter how small, is infused with warmth and thoughtfulness. This is Omotenashi, the Japanese art of hospitality, a practice that goes beyond mere service. It's about anticipating the needs of others, offering selfless generosity, and creating a truly memorable experience. Omotenashi is about creating an atmosphere where guests feel seen, valued, and genuinely cared for. True hospitality is not about impressing others. It's about creating a space where everyone feels comfortable, respected, and genuinely cared for. Imagine approaching each day with a growth mindset, a belief that we can always learn, improve, and become better versions of ourselves. This is Kaizen, the Japanese philosophy of continuous improvement, a journey of small steps and consistent effort. It's about embracing the idea that no matter how good we are, there's always room to grow, to refine, to evolve. Kaizen is about finding joy in the journey, not just the destination. Remember, life is not about achieving perfection. It's about embracing the journey of continuous growth, learning, and becoming the best versions of ourselves. As we've explored these 10 beautiful Japanese habits, we've discovered a treasure trove of wisdom for living a more joyful, purposeful, and balanced life. From finding our Ikigai to embracing the art of Kaizen, these practices offer gentle guidance on our journey toward personal growth and fulfillment. Start small, choose one or two that resonate with you, and gradually incorporate them into your daily routine. Remember, even the smallest changes can make a world of difference. Until next time, may your life be filled with joy, purpose, and the simple beauty of Japanese wisdom.